Welcome to my channel. Today we're diving into an important topic that affects us all, the need for body camera usage within the Jamaica Constabulary Force. With crime rates in Jamaica remaining a significant concern, implementing body cameras could be a vital step towards enhancing transparency and accountability in law enforcement. Body cameras can serve as a powerful tool to build trust between the police and the community. They provide an objective record of interactions which can help ensure that both officers and citizens are treated fairly. In a time when public confidence in law enforcement is crucial, these devices can help bridge the gap and foster a sense of security. Moreover, the presence of body cameras can deter misconduct and promote professionalism among officers. As we strive for a safer Jamaica, embracing technology like body cameras can be a proactive measure to combat crime and improve community relations. Thank you for joining me in this discussion. If you find this video insightful, please consider following, like, subscribe, and share. For more content on important issues like this, your support means a lot to me. Welcome to my channel, everyone. For those of you who have never been here before, this is Marie's Message 411 TV, and I am Marie, bringing you an article from Indecom. Indecom rings body cam alarm again as police kills. I'm gonna read that again. Indecom rings body cam alarm again as police killings spike by 111%. 111%. With police fatal shootings increasing by 11% since for the first 7 months of 2025. Can you believe that? With police fatal shootings increasing by 111% for the first 7 months of 2025. Compared to last year, the Independent Commission of Investigations, Indecom, is continuing to express grave concern about the non-use of body-worn cameras by lawmen. A breakdown of statistics obtained by the Gleaner shows that 28 people were shot and killed by the security forces in July, while 9 were shot and injured. The number of persons killed during alleged confrontations with the police in July is just 2 more than 26 recorded in June. Completing the monthly statistics since the start of the year are 28 killed in January, 28 in February, and 25 in March, 30 in April, and 25 in May. Wow. According to Indecom, at the end of July, the security forces recorded a total of 190 fatal shootings compared to the 90 persons killed during the first 7 months of last year. The death toll up to July 2025 is one more than the total for all of 2024. The death total up to July 2025 is one more than the total for all of 2025, when 189 people were shot and killed by the police. Wow. Indecom has indicated that in examining the 12-month period, July 18th, 2024 to July 18th, 2025, some 288 persons were shot and killed by the security forces, and no body-worn cameras had been used by the JCF members in any of the fatal incidents. As of August 4th, Indecom said 191 fatalities were on the books, with only a single incident recorded up to that date. In the latest recorded incident, about 8:30 p.m., Harding Hall, Hanover, on Emancipation Day, an unidentified male was shot and injured during an alleged confrontation with the police. So this happened yesterday, because yesterday was Independence Day. Wow. He was assisted to the Noel Holmes Hospital, where he was pronounced dead, despite their availability through procurement of BWS and the infrastructure supporting the technology. The Jamaica Constabulary Force has failed to make them routine in planned operations where they are most essential. Incidents involving the potential loss of lives, Indecom said in a release. Although reported infrastructure issues have delayed full implementation across the JCF, BWC could still be deployed to record planned police operations in search of wanted individuals, yielding vital evidentiary value. In the majority of the current incidents where men have been fatally shot, the police accounts illustrate that the officers are entering premises and are not phased as asserted with challenges of rugged terrain or major tactical impediments which would hinder the use of current and available BWCs. Indecom also said it recognized the dangers that can be faced by police personnel and the importance of apprehending wanted individuals. Indecom also said it recognized the dangers that can be faced by police personnel and the importance of apprehending wanted individuals. But accountability and transparency is non-negotiable in modern policing and ensuring that right to life is recognized. A recurring theme in the shooting incidents shows that weapons are alleged to have been pointed at officers, but in the absence of third-party eyewitnesses or video evidence, investigators are unable to verify or justify the use of lethal force. Indecom said body-worn cameras are essential not only for providing independent verification and evidence gathering and ensuring public trust, but also for protecting officers against false allegations. And yet its deployment in planned police operations remain improperly prioritized, even with the noticeable increase in such instances. Year to date, a total of 41 police personnel have been charged in relation to investigations conducted by Indecom over the 19-month period, January 1st, 2024 to January 21st, 2025. Since 2024, a total of 10 JCF personnel and 1 Jamaica Defense Force soldier have been charged in relation to 10 fatal shooting cases. And I think that is the end of the article. And this article was taken from the Jamaica Gleaner. So, leave your comments in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Click like, click share, subscribe. For all my new subscribers, I welcome you. Go and watch my previous videos so that you can get acquainted with my channel. For all my supporters who have been with me from the beginning, I love you and I appreciate you. Continue to support as you have been from the beginning. I love all of you. Thank you to my chosen ones, my light workers, my spiritual warriors. Continue to fight the spiritual warfare. You are my best soldiers. This is Marie's Message 411 TV, bringing you information from Indecom and the Jamaica Constabulary Force to finally implement body cams for law enforcement. Implement body cams for police officers. We need Indecom to enforce body cams so that we can promote transparency and accountability. And this implementation of body cams can significantly lower the crime rate, right? It can significantly lower the crime rate because it causes a deterrent. It causes the officers to be accountable for their actions. It causes people who commit crimes not to be able to get away with it because we have evidence on the body cam to prove what really happened. This is Marie's Message 411 TV, and I am Marie. And until next time, be good to yourself and be good to others. Have an awesome day, I must say. Bye-bye.